Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Okay. We are about to make Pee-wee very uncomfortable. He ate a dice and you know it. He knows it.
I got the hiccup.
Pee-wee! You're on Pee-wee.
I am.
Get a close up. You're on his face. He's not even paying attention. There's food in here.
Anyway, you gotta give me a chance to get your food ready. You can't just apple on like that.
What are you doing? You're the world's crappiest recording.
I tried. I didn't know it was going to be. I don't get that anymore.
Get it.
No.
Okay, you're in the way. There you go. There you go.
Part 2. Pee-wee. Well, it's not there anymore. But he pooped on the floor. I'm being my own cameraman. It's going to make him feel very uncomfortable. There's the evidence. Bad dog! Bad Pee-wee. Bad. You are a bad dog! I want you to know that. You are a bad dog. You hear me? Pee-wee? Pee-wee! We don't poop in the house. You don't even feel bad about it! Grandpa, tell Pee-wee he's a bad dog. You are a bad dog. Knock you right in your nose.